G'day! In today's video I've got a Telstra T-Pro, or two of them. This one has been heavily run over, but the mainboard itself looks relatively straight. So what I'm hoping to do is use this donor, brand new donor, and do a board swap. That's how they use tissue paper in this one. I've already ripped the back off this one. And I'm going to heat up the back here on my blue heat pad, and I should be able to take out these screws, and which, being a ZTE phone, I'm going to assume are all of the same length. Go. Hoping there's not many other screws holding it down. So this is going to be a very straightforward board swap. Or at least that's what I want it to be. Sometimes you don't get what you want. In this instance, I hope I do. Go that. Lift this back off. One more screw here. And one more screw down here. What do we have? Yeah, one antenna connected here. Go. One screw over here. And a battery, charging cable, and a screen. Those three disconnected. Curious to see if this will just lift out now. Okay, slight bit of curvature to it, but overall not too bad. Now I've got my donor board. Put that on the paper over here. Now it's still warming up. Should be able to pop out the SIM tray and hopefully pull the back off this one. There, that, put this back down, another pry tool. Come on. Oh, it's being stubborn. There we go. Took a bit longer than anticipated. Hold down the fingerprint scanner. And there we go. Now if we get out all these screws again, it'll be right to turn the heat off now. It's minimal prying required now. Just need to heat up that back to soften the adhesive here on the fingerprint scanner. go. Battery, display, board, single black screw, and antenna connector. Up and out. Throw the brand new board over there of that damaged one. Slide this in. Try and feed it under. One black screw. Okay, I think that was it. Yep. The higher of the two locations. Now a matter of reconnecting antenna cable, lining it up over the top, pushing down. Click. Display, daughter board, and battery. 1, 2, 3. And put this shield back over the top. Put those screws back in, all of which are of the same length. Hopefully I can put the back on, stick it on, or won't even need to stick it on charge. This battery should have a little bit in it, being it's brand new. They usually hang around 30 to 50%. And hopefully this phone will power up once more in its new body. Hoping the mainboard isn't too far damaged. I'm slightly optimistic. But also it wouldn't surprise me if it is completely dead. So I won't put the back cover on just yet. There we go. That's all swapped. Put this over here. And hit the power. 1, 2, 3. Promising start. I think we're going to be okay. See how it goes. I will turn it off, stop the camera just for now. But at least let it start up off screen so it doesn't reveal the customer's information. There we go. Still starting. Looking good. Push around here. SIM tray. Where's the SIM tray from the donor? Took that out somewhere. Go. There we go. Touch is working. Telstra signal. Looking good. So that was one mainboard swap in a Telstra T-Pro. Hope that helps you. See you guys later. Bye.